So here we go, guys. Unboxing the Xiaomi electric scooter Pro 2 Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition. A tool for adjusting stuff. A wheel, maybe a spare one. Cords for the charger and the charging brick itself. And there we go. And for the assembly, just put on the handle and make sure that the electric bike is standing up. Let's take off the plastic. There we go. And the front. With all the Mercedes-AMG logo types and everything. And now I just need to fasten the screws and the handle, charge it, and then take it for a ride.